Welcome to our video on the top 7 mistakes to avoid when installing an off-grid solar system. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, it's essential to ensure that your off-grid solar system is installed correctly to maximize efficiency and safety. In this video, we'll guide you through the common mistakes beginners make and provide valuable insights to help you avoid them. Insufficient site assessment. A thorough site assessment is crucial before installing an off-grid solar system. Common mistakes include inaccurate solar irradiance measurements, ignoring shading issues, not considering local building codes and regulations. A proper site assessment ensures optimal system performance and helps you avoid costly mistakes down the line. Incorrect solar panel sizing. Correctly sizing your solar panels is vital for meeting your energy needs. Common mistakes include underestimating energy usage, not considering panel efficiency and temperature ratings, incorrectly calculating solar panel array size. Proper sizing ensures you generate enough power to meet your needs without wasting resources. Inadequate battery bank sizing. Your battery bank is the heart of your off-grid solar system. Common mistakes include underestimating energy storage requirements, not considering battery type and depth of discharge, incorrectly calculating battery bank capacity. A properly sized battery bank ensures reliable power backup and prolongs system lifespan. Improper inverter selection. Selecting the right inverter is critical for efficient energy conversion. Common mistakes include incorrectly calculating inverter size, not considering inverter efficiency and features, ignoring compatibility issues with other system components. The right inverter ensures seamless energy flow and minimizes system downtime. Poor wiring and electrical connection. Proper wiring and electrical connections are essential for system safety and efficiency. Common mistakes include incorrect wire sizing and routing, poor connection quality and security, ignoring safety protocols and standards. Ensure your system is wired correctly to avoid electrical hazards and optimize performance. Inadequate grounding and bonding. Proper grounding and bonding protect your system from electrical shocks and damage. Common mistakes include incorrect grounding techniques, insufficient bonding between components, ignoring safety protocols and standards. Ensure your system is properly grounded and bonded for safety and efficiency.
Lack of maintenance and monitoring. Regular maintenance and monitoring are crucial for system longevity and performance. Common mistakes include infrequent inspections and cleaning, not monitoring system performance and issues, ignoring manufacturer recommendations and guidelines. Stay on top of maintenance and monitoring to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently.
Conclusion: avoiding these 7 beginner mistakes ensures a safe, efficient, and reliable off-grid solar system. Remember to conduct thorough site assessments, correctly size your solar panels and battery bank, select the right inverter, ensure proper wiring and electrical connections, ground and bond your system correctly, regularly maintain and monitor your system. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to a successful off-grid solar installation. Thanks for watching. If you want the best solar services, please contact us on the given number. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on solar and renewable energy.